Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this one, I will be showing you how I color grade in Lightroom. Don't forget to go and check out the shorts video on this session and see how I took these pictures. So here we have the image of my last shoot. It's inside a pool with all natural light. It is backlit with the sun at golden hour. So the first thing that I do usually is the white balance. So with this selector, the white balance selector, I will go and pick whatever is supposed to be white in this image, which in this case I chose the white from her eyeball. Afterwards, I will just fix the highlight in this one, and I would like to bring back the golden hour a little bit, so I'll just push the yellow in the white balance. This image is pretty well lit, so I'm pretty happy with how it came out, so I'm not going to touch anything else. Usually I would go into the shadows, play with the whites and blacks, but right now I'm happy with what it is. So let's go on to the next step. I've been working on some presets. This is what I apply to all of my images so that they are consistent on my feed. Eventually I will come out with them and you guys will be able to procure them through my website. But yeah, this one is what I use on all my images. Basically it adds some green to the image and it mutes the yellow and the orange. The next step would be in the HSL tab. I usually go in the orange and lower the luminosity just to make her look a little bit more tanned, and lower the contrast just a little bit just to bring back some details. The final part will be in the color grading tab. I usually want to make my image have a vintage look, and how I personally achieve it is by moving the highlights towards the more yellow and the shadow towards the blue, like so. It's up to you how much blue and yellow you want to add to the image. I'm really just showing you what I do on this photo, so by all means go with your own style. That is all that I'm doing within Lightroom. The next step would be the skin retouching within Photoshop. I'm just going through it fast because I have another video that I'm going to link in the description or above. I only have two main steps for skin retouching. Let me just activate the references group just to make it easier for you guys to see what I've done. The first layer is to take away all the flyaways and all the blemishes and pimples on her skin. I've also got rid of distractions on her arm here. And this layer is for dodge and burning to soften her skin and make it more even. Like I said, I have another video explaining every step that I take to soften her skin, so I invite you guys to go and check it out. I will also leave the link in the description or on the video on top. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. And as usual, please leave a like and a comment if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Keep on creating. Peace.